Yeah. So guys, in the last class we have learned about some basic operations on list. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the main thing. It is built-in functions
In functions.
for list. In list we have some built-in functions. Let's see what are those. Yeah. So just try to remember these are the functions. First one is len. Len of, though it is small letter, small l, length means it will give us what length. And second one is max. It will return us what maximum. Yeah. Yeah? Yes. And we have third one is min of. And fourth one we have, what is the fourth one? Sum of. Like no need to write any logic for the sum. Directly if you write this function, inbuilt function, it will do the job very easier for you all. Again we have sorted. You know what is the meaning of sorted? Anyone? Sixth one, list of. Seventh one, we have any. And then eighth one we have all. Yes, so total how many we have? Yes guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Yeah, see, if you don't talk now, like it will be like I will feel like power is gone or my internet connection is gone.
So
There is a
some network issues, and that's all.
okay, fine. So I think one more member joined, I guess. Vamshi Krishna. Hello, Vamshi. Vamshi.
Hi sir, good evening sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay. So these are some of the built-in functions. Now let's see one by one. And before that, let me also launch my this ideally, because on this only we are going to execute our codes. Is it open? I don't know what happened to my system. Everything is delaying. It became so slow. You know any idea like how to make it fast? Control N. One is enough now. To do. Yeah. So here the main thing is, let's go with this here directly. So now, for example, if I wanted to return the number of items, so what it is, it talks about what number of items, length. So first one we are going to see in details. First one, length of. So what it talks, yeah, it returns number of items in the list. Okay. Now for an example, I'm writing fruit. Fruits is equal to apple, and we have banana, and then orange, and then none. Can you tell me how many items are present in this? If I'm going to print fruit, what I'm going to print? Length of fruit. Length of fruit. Length of fruits. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many? What is the output you can expect? We can expect on this.
4. I think 4.
4.
Yes, sir.
Execute this. the dot py. It's absolutely 4. Why 4? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if it is none or anything, it is returning what? 4.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So it is just, it will return what? It will return only the counter. Now this is done. Yes. Now next one. What is the next one?
Next.
Max of.
Max.
What does it does? It returns
Maximum number of.
greatest item present in the list. Now let's see what happens in this. I'm writing one code num. In this num, I'm writing like 5 comma 8 comma 100 comma 890. Now, and I'm writing what? Print. What I have to write? Max of what? Nums.
Nums.
Now what can be the output?
890. I think 890.
890. Let's see. Uh, 890. So by this we have understood that it is returning what?
Maximum
Maximum.
value.
Maximum value. Yeah, correct. Now, for example, we have something called, this is one example. I'm just writing here one example it is. Second example, booleans is equal to false comma true. Okay, true. Now print, what we are printing? Max of booleans. Now what do you think, what will be the output here?
It will be true, sir.
Yes. Why it will be true?
That value of true is 1,
The
sir.
value is
If
of
you
true is 1.
sir.
Perfect,
Also,
understood.
true, sir.
Yeah. Now, for example, what I'm going to write here is, I'm going to write here name. Name is equal to, I just need to take it in list, right? Because we are talking about list. So Vivek, comma, Abhishek, and comma, Rajan, and then Zing, Zing. It is not name, but just I have written to understand. Let's understand what happens whenever I'm trying to find in the string. Max of what?
Max
Name.
of name.
Can you tell me now what can be the output here?
Sir, Max. Spelling wrong.
Oh yeah, correct. Max, yes. Now what can be the output?
Zing, zing.
Zing zing.
Yes, sir.
FN F5.
Abhishek and Zing Zing, sir, maybe.
No, it is zing zing. You know why?
Yes, sir.
Because it takes the
Alphabetical.
Unicodes of the alphabetical order. Yeah. Like for example, if I'm making here, what if I'm doing here? Vivek is there, right? So how it is taking is Unicodes. Like for example, if I'm removing all this, I'll explain you this once. So I'm just removing all this. Here I have capital A. I guess you know the capital A value 65. Here we have B 66. Here we have uh, C. Now can you tell me what will be the output?
C, sir.
Huh?
C.
C.
Fn F5.
It's binary code. It depends on binary.
Correct. Perfect. So I guess you understood this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the string, how it happens, that we need to understand in the string. This is our third example, third EX. Now, in this note point, what we have to note down is in strings, it evaluate depending on the Unicodes. That's it. So we are done. We are done with what? Max. Now, after this, what we have? Min. Min of. What is the meaning of min of, guys? What it will return? It returns the
Lowest values.
least item present in the list. Okay. Now let's see here. Example. Now in the place of max, what I need to write? Min. And then in the place of in this only, can you tell me what is the output?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, it is A. Correct. So this is one of the example. Example one. Now after that, let's see the example with the numbers also.
Yes.
Here it is 100. Okay, it is string, right? So I should write without quotes. 100 comma 90 comma 1 comma 2. Now what would be the output?
1, sir.
Yeah,
1.
absolutely. It is 1. It is 1. So I guess you understood
Yes, sir.
about min. Yeah. So min we have understood with the second example. Yes. Now next is what?
Sum.
Yes. Now for example, if I'm taking here some string values like January comma May, comma December. Now can you tell me what will be the output?
Sum.
Guys? Yes, anyone?
I think it's December. Min.
December. So Unicodes, right? Which one is like J? Now small a, small b, small c. C will be having more value. Z. So in this alphabet, which is coming first in alphabetical order? In A, B, C, D, E,
D.
F. Yes, D is
D,
coming,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So F and F5. Oh, there is syntax error. It is comma.
Yes, sir.
Now how much it is? January? Yes. Why, guys? Because we are talking about min, right? Not max.
Yes, sir.
We got January. January, May, December. So what should be the answer? And why we are getting understood? Why we are getting January? See, alphabetical order A, B, C. Like this goes on. What will be coming first? D, right?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, M, N. So M will be coming somewhat after some, and J, before that J will be there, right?
Sir.
I, J, I and J. So now in this, which one is coming first?
First D is coming.
So D is coming. So like for example, if it is Unicode is like 97, 98, 99, and this is 100, Unicode is okay.
Yes, sir.
And how about E? Not E. How about M? M is having more, and J is also having,
More.
yeah, J is also having more, but combination, adding of all those,
Yes, sir.
yeah. In that case, which one is having minimum?
January.
Yes.
Mm.
And once again, you can see that spellings also. January, May, and then December. Okay, fine. So this is also one of the thing. Now, next, what is the next one? Sum.
Some.
So what is the meaning of sum? It will add everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So we need to write some theory part here first. Now here, which one it is? First one was length, minimum, maximum, minimum. Now sum. Fourth one, no?
Yes, sir. Fourth one.
Fourth one is sum. So it returns the total value of numeric numbers. Numeric. Let's see what happens here. If I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I'm writing sum. Now can you tell me what would be the output?
And 15th.
Absolutely, we got 15. 15 we are getting. So it is easy for, it is making our job easy. We don't need to write any logic for that. This is one example. Done. Now for example, if I'm writing like this something, 2, 3, but I'm giving it this part. Here also I'm keeping here quotations. Here also quotations. Here also quotations. Now what would be the value?
Sir.
Will it be error? Yeah, absolutely it is error. What is the error? Unsupported operand type plus.
String.
Yes. So it means what? We cannot add them. It is for sum, right? Sum is for what?
Numeric
Integer.
integers.
But here we are giving all these strings.
Strings.
Yeah. Now, for example, can we see whether it is working for float or not? 1.2, comma,
Maybe it will work.
1.5 will take 1 and 2.5 and comma 9.5. Can you tell me what is the value of this?
13.5.
13.5. Perfect. So it is working with the float values also.
Yes, sir.
That is the second example. Now, this is done, guys. So this is about what? Sum.
Sir,
Now, once sum is done, next what is the next one?
sorted.
This fifth one, it is sorted. Sorted. Now, sorted means, what is the meaning of sorted? Let's see. Returns a sorted version of the list as argument. Now here we have an example. Let's see the example. In the place of this, if I'm writing here 7, 7 comma 4, comma 9, comma 1. Now can you tell me what can be the output after writing sorted? Sorted. Yes, sorted.
It will become in order, I think so, sir.
Yeah, correct. Which order? Ascending or descending?
I think
Ascending, I think.
Yeah, ascending. So you have to note down that by default it is ascending order. Okay, note down this. By default it is in what order? Increasing order or ascending order. Correct spelling ascending? Yes. Yes, guys, what is spelling of ascending? Yes, ascending order. Correct. Now this is an example that is done. Now, for example, what I need is I wanted not an ascending order, I wanted descending order. Yes, what I need? Descending order. I need the sort to be done. So I need like, let me put it across like this. Yeah. Now to sort the list in descending order, we can pass the keyword argument reverse. What we can pass? Reverse. Okay, let's see how it is going to work. So reverse and then reverse with the value set to true to the function sorted. Now let's see how we can use this. Now the same thing here in this example, we'll see here. Now here number is there, num is there. This is my list, comma. What I need to use? Reverse is equal to true. Now let's see whether it is working or not. Fn F5. Yes.
So we are not seeing. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is working all good. So to make it as reverse or descending order, we have to use in this way. Got it? Yes. Now this is also done. So can you tell me the exam? Can you tell me how we can do with this? Sorted. Not this all. I'm not using. I just wanted to have this comma Vivek. Now what can be the output?
First 1479 print. So again Vivek, I think.
Okay. See, it is giving error. Why? Because
String.
string we cannot string, right? How we can sort that string?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So when it is a mixed number and a string, we'll be getting what? Error. This I have to write in the section of sorted here. Here it is error. Now, for example, if I'm writing here all alphabets or names, then how it happens? Let's see. AB, comma, BC, comma, ZX. Now, how I got? Okay, I have already written it in this way, right? Now, let me change this position here. BC is here, and then AB is here. Here it is X and Z. Now let's see what happens. Exactly, it is giving me correct result or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is sorting as per what? Alphabetical order. This is valid. Valid. All are valid. This is, if I'm not giving error, means it is valid. So that's it. Now next one, what is the next function, next method?
List.
Which method it is? Sixth one?
List, sir.
Yeah, list. What is the meaning of this list? The list function what it does is convert an iterable and iterable. What are the iterable? Means which are in the sequence or collection concept. Okay, that is tuple, range, set, dictionary, and string. All this it will convert into what? List. Okay, now let's see one small example with this. Writing city, the city is equal to Hyderabad. In this, x is equal to list of what? City, right? So what is this? It is a string, and this only one string I'm converting into what? List, and I'm printing x. Print x. Now let's see what is happening here. What I got, did it convert it into list or not? Yes, guys. Starting and closing is like a list only, na? In the list, square bracket. Yes. Yes, guys. Sujit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Venkatesh. Now, for example, if I'm writing here, one more. Let me write Koti. Koti. Let me write Charminar. Now what happens? So for only one, it is like splitting. Now for this, it's all clear, right? But if it is only one, then it is getting splitted each and every character. But now it is all good. Okay. So this is for example. Example one. Now let's see example two. That splitting part also we need to take a record of it. This part. List. The city is in list. Yeah. Second one. The output is for this like this. Yeah. So now we are done with what? This is also we are done. So what is the next one? Next inbuilt method.
Any, sir.
Yeah, any. But before that, I will give you a small bit to do. Let's see what is the answer you are giving. For example, n is equal to 20, and then x is equal to list of n. Now, can you tell me what is the answer of this? Print x.
But there is no.
Hmm?
2, 0.
I think it will be errors.
Perfect. It is
Error.
why error? Why error?
There is no any list, sir.
This is error. Why error means I have clearly told you, right? Here the definition you have not seen here. This function converts. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ దేన్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది? సీక్వెన్స్ ని, ఇటరబుల్ ఏదైతే ఇటరబుల్ అవుతుందో, ఇటరబుల్ మీన్స్ వాట్? సీక్వెన్స్. అయితే అది ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ అ టపుల్, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ అ రేంజ్, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ అ సెట్, డిక్షనరీ ఆర్ స్ట్రింగ్. కానీ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? It is, are this anything in that?
No, sir. It's an integer value.
It is an integer. Yeah. So if it is tuple like this, if it is 20 comma 30, now what happens? Now let's see. Now it is getting converted. Yes. 20 comma 30 I got.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that definition is very important, guys. That is the reason I'm writing the definition also for you. And I will share this. Don't worry. We'll share it soon. Now here, if you have understood this, can you answer me this one? 20.
2, 0.
I think you have executed, right? Who is that? Venkatesh?
Yes, sir.
You only. You only, right? So you executed, no? Okay. So why we got this? Because it is string. Already we have seen, like, if it is only one string means
it will separate.
it will split. Yeah, it will split, separate. Yeah, that we have done. So we'll take this also here. After this, what we have? Yes, let's go with the next one, next function, next method. What is the next one? Seventh one, na it is?
So no, eighth one, sir. All,
No, it is
not seventh, sir,
seventh.
eighth one.
Eighth one. Okay. We'll talk that all after this. So now we are going to talk about what? Any.
Any, okay.
Yeah. So just carefully read the definition what I'm writing. The any function, inbuilt function, accepts a list as argument and return true. True. It will return what? True. When it will return true? Let's see. It will return true if at least one element of the list is true. True. So this is first condition. How can I can make like this? First condition it is, and the second condition. If not, then this method returns false. If not, then this method return false. The method, if the list is empty, then also it returns what? False. So another condition. If the list is empty, then also it returns false. Okay, these are the points. Now let's see one example. X is equal to what it said. We have to give it in the list only. 1 comma for a 3 comma 4 comma 0. Okay, this is my list elements. Print. Now here, if I'm writing any of X,
Any of
can you tell me what is the output here? Will it be false or true?
those.
Depending on the this, see here, at least one element of the list is true. ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా ట్రూ ఉంటే yes, this accepts the list and return true. ఇది రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది, రిటర్న్ ట్రూ ఎప్పుడు? if at least one element is
One
also
element
true.
in the list is true.
కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్
True, sir.
ఉన్నాయి?
One
3 elements are
True,
true.
element is true.
This is true.
True.
True, sir.
Yeah. Now it is true. Good. Now we can copy this here. Example. Done. Now let's see the second example. Can you tell me what is the output of this? 0 comma false.
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 Yes, sir.
Why it is false?
One element is 0 and false value is also 0. Then both are false.
Correct. False. It is not satisfying the condition of any. Now here 0 comma false comma 5. This one
Sir, if there is any string in that,
what can be the what will be the output for this?
True, sir.
true.
It's true.
True, sir.
Yes, it is true. Good. Now, if I'm writing here empty list, now
Sir?
empty list.
I think it's false.
You need to think here. It is there clearly. If the list is empty, list ఒకవేళ empty ఉంటే, then
Yes.
also it returns.
Then also it returns false.
So now you're confident.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see what is the output we are getting. False. Okay. So if it is
Sir, if there is any string in that,
okay, then also we can do now. Let's see. So for example, if I'm writing here Myra, comma 0 0 comma 0. Now can you tell me what is the output? Yes. So now what you need to think is it 0 or non-zero?
Non-zero.
Non-zero and
Then
true ne kada.
True, sir. Yes.
So whenever it is string also it is true. Yes, you saw? Done. Now we are pending with what? Last one.
All.
By the way, when we started this meeting, we started by what time? Let me see.
Nearly
What is the time?
1 hour, sir.
1 hour, sir. 1 hour, sir.
Oh, 1 hour 59. See here it is 59. Oh, so it is 1 hour is done. So we'll take half an hour and then we'll wind up. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now we are last. We came to the last point. Last function, last inbuilt function. What is this? It's all.
It's all.
Yeah. So the all function accepts what? List as a argument and returns what it returns. See, arguments, list arguments and returns true. When it will return true? If all the elements of the list are true, or if the list is empty. So two conditions here. What are the conditions? If all the elements of the list are true,
Yes, sir.
all the elements are true, then it will return what? True.
True.
అంటే ఒక్కటి కూడా false అయితే it will return false.
False. And
But
another.
it's acting as the AND operator, like bitwise AND.
And list is empty, then it's also true, sir.
If it is, see here it is written, right? List argument and returns is return చేస్తుంది ఏంటి true. When it is returning true, if all the elements of the list are true, and the
Okay.
elements true అవ్వాలి.
Okay, sir.
And other condition is what? If the list is empty.
Okay, sir. Then also it will return true.
And when it will return false, ఇవన్నీ ఈ రెండు కండిషన్స్ యాక్సెప్ట్ కాకపోతే false.
Yes. If anyone is false, then it will return.
If not the above condition, if above condition is not satisfied, like this we can write, if the above two conditions are not satisfied, then it will return false. Now let's see one example of this. Here only we'll write here one
Sir, if there is
4,
any false, any one false statement, it becomes false.
yeah, correct. Can you tell me what can be the output of this?
It's false.
False, sir.
False.
Yes, sir.
Fn F5. Okay. Yes, absolutely it is false. Correct. Now, yeah, this is example. Let's see the next example. If I'm writing here, zero comma false. Now, what can be the output? Yes,
False.
everything is false now. So absolutely it is false.
False.
Now, in the place of this, if I'm writing like this, 0, 0.01,
I think it will be.
comma, again, if I'm okay, only this much, this two. Now,
True.
Will be false.
why it is true? See guys,
It's become it is non-zero.
is it zero na non-zero na?
Non-zero, sir.
Non-zero. And
This
this
is
one
also non-zero.
non-zero. అంటే స్ట్రింగ్ ని జీరో చేయాలంటే ఎట్లా చేయాలి? ఎంటీ స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో
Yes.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ కామా అండ్ ఎంటీ స్ట్రింగ్, ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది?
False.
Will become false.
Yes, absolutely, you are correct. You got the point now. Yes.
We can use empty set.
That's what. Next is empty list now.
Yes, sir. Sorry, empty list.
It will be
So
true.
empty list, what it will be?
True, sir.
Yes. If it is empty, it should be true. Now let's see. Yes, it is
True.
absolutely true. Correct. So this is done. So total, how many we have done so far? All 8. Any doubts?
All 8 completed.
All 8 completed.
Sir, in the list of again we can use empty list. What will be the output?
Yes. What you're saying? Yes.
Sir,
Sorry,
we have
I didn't get
one. We have already we have one empty list, right, sir? Again, we take another empty list inside this list, sir.
Inside
Then it will-
that list.
Okay. Inside this list you wanted, huh?
Yes.
Like this.
Yeah.
Now what will be here? Comma.
Yes.
One more list. Now what will be the output? Can you guess? It is false.
False.
So why it is false? Empty, kada. See here. If it is outside, if it is only one list that is empty, that is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, didn't get this.
you did not get. Okay, I will explain you once again. If it is empty, if it is overall empty, see, if it is overall empty, then what it is? True. But inside this, when we are writing this part, empty string, comma 9. Now what happens? It will be false, right?
Yes, sir, false.
Huh. In the same way, if I'm writing empty list, anything empty, if you write that is a that is 0, right? Empty.
Here it
So
is
that is the
the all command is all right. All of
it is all. If it is all of the above, if it is all also 0 comma 1, what it is? True or false?
False.
False. So in the place of 0, if I'm writing this empty string, will it be false again?
No, sir, it will be true.
yes, sir, it will be false.
It will be true.
False. How it will be true? It will be
Yes.
false, right? What I said is ఒక్కటి కూడా
Yes.
false అయితే అన్ని false.
Yes, sir.
That's what it is false. So it is 0, right? 0 ఉన్నా లేకుంటే empty string ఉన్నా లేకుంటే empty list ఉన్నా.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Sir, in the
understood.
place of all, once you put any, sir,
This case, huh?
same code, sir. In the place of all, yes. No, execute, sir.
True. అంటే దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక్కటన్నా ట్రూ ఉంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here it is confusing.
Okay. Somebody saying something. So, so what are the things we have done with? Yes, Venkatesh, can you tell all the 8 names?
Yes, sir. We have learned today built-in function for lists,
Okay.
and
All
that
names.
are length, max, minimum, sum, sorted, list, and any and all.
Perfect. And Sujit,
Sir.
can you tell me the difference between any and all?
Any and all, sir. Sir, in any function, sir, in any at least one element is true, sir. We can the output will be true, sir.
Okay.
And if one of them, if any, sir, in any method, ఒక condition true, even one value returns true, sir, then it output will be true, sir. Otherwise, the output will be false, sir. In
Okay.
all the values should be written true, then it will output will be true, sir. If any one value will be false, the output will be false, sir.
Now Venkatesh and Sujit are done. Now who is left? Vamshi Krishna. Are you there? Vamshi,
Sir, I think
you are not there. Then who is there? Shiva.
that-
Shiva.
Sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me about the sorting, ascending sorting and descending sorting?
Sir, in ascending sorted function, the order will be in ascending orders.
Okay. Do we need to add anything extra or directly?
No, sir. No, sir.
Directly it will be done, right?
Yes, sir. It is default. It will come in ascending orders.
Descending.
And to make it as descending order, what we need to do extra?
We should use reverse keyword, sir.
Correct. We need to use reverse and also one keyword. What is that? Reverse.
Equal to true.
Yeah, we need to make it as true. Good. So I guess you all understood about all 8.
Yes, sir.
Now we have also some kind of list methods. So built-in functions are different and the built-in methods are different. Don't get confused. Yeah.
Okay.
So there are some methods. Let's see what are those. First one is append. Append method. Second one is extend. I guess append we have already seen. Yes or no? Insert. We have done one problem also on append. Insert, index, and then we have fifth one is count of. Sixth one we have remove of, and seventh one we have pop. Then eighth one we have clear. Ninth one we have sort, and then 10th one is reverse. Yeah. Yes, total how many?
Tens.
10. Now let's see
Tens.
each and every one by one. So first one, what is the first point? Append method. So what is the meaning of append? Yes, already we have talked about this. It adds a single element. What it adds? Single element. Where? To the end of the list. To the end of the list, it is adding what? Single element. Yes or no? Yes. Modifies the list in the place but doesn't return anything. So just you remember that it is adding a single element. And where it is adding? At the end it is adding 2 points. In this 2 points are there. So it is very important point. Okay. Now let's see the example. Okay. Example here we'll see. We'll help you with the example here. Now the example is primes. Yes. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now these are prime or not? Prime means what? It should not have any factor. At least it should be divisible by itself or by its one. Yes or no? So now what is the next number? 8. 8 is having factors, right? 9 is also having factors. Now next number 10. 10 is also having factors. What is the next number? 11.
11.
Yes. So what I'm going to do is prime, prime, primes dot append. So what I'm going to append? 11. Yes. Now I'm going to print what? Primes. Now in this way, what will happen here? Yes. Do you see the output? 11. We can able to successfully add this 11. Guys. Yeah. Have you seen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 11 got added. Now, for example, I just wanted to add many things like not only 11, let me add 13 also. Will it work? What I said, it should add only exactly one value, one argument. Okay, but we are giving what? Many arguments. Yeah. So we cannot give many arguments. This is an example of it.
Can only
Single.
use one.
Yeah. Correct. Now this is about what? That like append. So I guess you understood what is the meaning of append. Yes. Is it clear? Clear or not, guys? If it is clear, now just answer this question. Let's see how many of you can answer it. Animal is equal to, I'm writing here, cat, comma, dog, comma, rabbit. Now, wild animal equal to tiger, fox. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to append. What I'm going to append? Animal dot append what? Wild animal. Yes. Now can you tell me, now let's see, let's print this. I'm going to print what I'm going to print? Animal 3, index is 3. Okay, animal index is what? 3. Now after this I'm just also going to print what? Print animal index is 3 and also here 0. Now again I'm going to print here one more thing. Animal, here it is 3, here it is 0, and here it is 1. Then print animal. Guys, you all are sleeping. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir. We are not
Well,
sleeping.
okay, good. Because no noise. Yeah. Now see how many outputs will come. Any prints unnai ikkada?
4 prints.
So four output will become, that is for sure. Can ikkada aim avutundi? What can be the output, guys?
I think
Animal dot append aitundi kada. Ante first is this one. First I will take this. See, I'm explaining you. This is ఇది అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది? ఇది 0th ఇండెక్స్. ఇదేంది? ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్. ఇదేంటి? సెకండ్ ఇండెక్స్. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఏం అపెండ్ అయింది? వాట్ గాట్ అపెండెడ్?
వైల్డ్ యానిమల్
3. థర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్ లోపల ఏం అపెండ్ అయిందంటే ఇక్కడ యా ఈ థర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్ లోపలనే ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి అన్నమాట. ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి?
Wild animal, but there is 2 elements in that.
టైగర్ కామా ఫాక్స్. అంటే ఇవన్నీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఇదేంటిది? ఇది థర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్.
ఓకే.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు యానిమల్ 3 అంటే ఏమేమి ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది?
టైగర్ అండ్ ఫాక్స్.
పర్ఫెక్ట్. టైగర్ ఫాక్స్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ ప్రింట్ లో ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది? 3, 0 అంటే 3. 0 ఏంటి?
0 cat. 0 cat.
0 cat. No, you're not understanding. See here, 0 అంటే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది కదా 0. దీంట్లో ఈ థర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్ లో 0 ఇండెక్స్ ఏది? ఇది టైగర్ అనేది 0 ఇండెక్స్.
Yes,
ఇది
sir.
జీరో ఇండెక్స్ అండ్ ఫాక్స్
Yes,
అనేది
sir.
ఏంటిది ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్. ఈ
Yes, sir.
3 లోపల ఇది దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇండెక్సెస్.
Okay, sir.
సో నౌ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ ప్రింట్ ఏమొస్తుంది 3 మొత్తం 3 ఇండెక్స్ లో 0th ఇండెక్స్.
0th index and fox. First index.
Fox it will come only tiger na.
Yes, sir.
Only tiger. Here see third low it is 0.
One T, sir. T. It will print T.
No, we are talking about second
The
print.
word of tiger.
First print.
Okay.
What will be printed in the first print? First print లో ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది?
Both tiger and fox.
Tiger and fox.
That is tiger comma
Fox.
Understood. ఇక్కడ ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది నెక్స్ట్ ప్రింట్?
Tiger.
In the
ఓన్లీ టైగర్. ఎందుకు టైగర్? బికాజ్
zero tiger.
టోటల్ 0th ఇండెక్స్.
Sir.
ఇప్పుడు
Yes,
ఇక్కడ
sir.
థర్డ్ ప్రింట్ లో
Tiger comma
థర్డ్ ప్రింట్ లో
tiger comma T.
థర్డ్ ప్రింట్ లో ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది? ఇవన్నిట్లో ఈ ఒక లిస్ట్ లో ఈ థర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఇప్పుడు 0 ఏంటిది? టైగర్ అనేది 0.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ టైగర్ లో కూడా
Tiger
see I'm
0.
in this tiger also
I will be prints.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
yes, in the tiger also
I will be prints.
TIGER.
T will be
ఈ
print.
టైగర్ లో ఇదేంటిది?
yeah.
0th ఇండెక్స్. ఇదేంటిది? ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్.
Yes, sir.
ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ అండ్ దెన్
Yes.
ఇదేం ఇండెక్స్? TIGER. Second index. This is third index.
Third.
Fourth index. ఇప్పుడు now we can see here in this third లో ఇవన్నీ ఇదన్నిట్లో
I see.
0th ఇండెక్స్ ఏది? టైగర్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ టైగర్ లో
Tiger.
again in this tiger what is the 0th index?
T.
Sorry, it is asking about 1, right?
1, sir. 1 means fox.
1, sir.
Fox lo F.
No, I. Tiger comma I, sir.
Wait. Let me make this as 0.
Okay, sir. 0 means T, sir.
Now
T, sir.
T is
Tiger comma
now
T.
second last print.
In this F will be
Fox
prints.
comma
F, sir. No fox.
Fox,
Only
comma
F
F.
will be prints.
Yeah?
F will be
F,
prints,
fox.
sir. F.
Perfect. Now I guess you understood, right, this part?
Sir.
Now let's see what is exactly this printing.
Yes, sir.
Tiger, fox, tiger, T and F. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you understood. Good. Now this I will take this as an example and paste it here. One more example. This will give and draw a line and paste. Now we are done with what? First one, append. The second one. Second method. Extend. Yeah. Yes. So now here, let's see few theory point. It also adds to the end of a list. Yes. It also adds to the end of the list, but the argument is expected to be an iterable. But the argument is expected to be an iterable. You know what is the meaning of iterable? Iterable. That is first point. This is first point. Iterable means what? In a sequence collection. Yeah. So the items in iterable are added individually. The items in iterable are added how? Individually. Yeah, this is third point. it returns nothing. Okay, does not return anything. Now here, for example, all these things I'm removing this apart. Now print, I'm just printing here animal. Can you tell me what is output?
Cat, dog, and rabbit.
Cat, dog, and
Rabbit
rabbit.
and the tiger, fox.
అంటే టైగర్ ఫాక్స్ ఎలా ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది? దీని ఈ బాక్స్ తో సహా ప్రింట్ అవుతుందా, వితౌట్ బాక్స్?
Without box.
ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రింటింగ్ విత్ బాక్స్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ విత్ బాక్స్ అయితేనే కదా ఇట్లా వచ్చింది టైగర్ టీ ఫాక్స్ ఎఫ్టీ. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్. ఇది ఇండివిజువల్ గా ప్రింట్ అవుతలేదు. దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ప్రింటింగ్ ఇండివిజువల్లీ. To print individually, what we need? Extend we need. So this is also I need to copy. Should. Yes, guys. Yeah. Now, for example, here in the place of append, if I'm writing extend, now what will happen? Let's see.
We print individuals.
Now this time how it printed? Individually.
Without packing. Yes.
Yeah, this is the main reason we are using what? Extend. Example. Okay. Second one example is done. Now, for example, if I'm writing here, if I'm writing in this way, I'm removing all this. Prime is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Primes dot extend 11. Now again print primes. Then now what will be the output? Guys, can you tell me what is the output?
7 and 11.
Avuna 2 3 5 7 11.
Yes, sir.
I think you have not read that definition correctly, but okay.
It also adds to the end of the list.
It is
Error.
wrong. It is error. Why type error? Int object is not iterable. ఈ 11 అనేది iterable, ఇది just integer కదా.
Yes, sir.
So it is giving error. If I make it in list, ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? Now it will print.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ మనం డెఫినేషన్ కూడా రాస్తున్నాం కదా, iterable.
Okay.
See here the definition I given you, right? This item is iterable or added individually.
Okay.
Yeah. So is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now we have done with one example. This example. This example we have done. Okay, that is, I guess you can do it now. That is fine. Next one, what we have? The next one.
Insert.
Perfect. The next, yeah. Let's see the next one. Now we have third one, right? It is
Yes, sir.
insert. What is the meaning of this insert? Let's see. The insert method inserts the elements to the list at the given index. Whatever the index we are giving, it will insert. Okay. Now let's see the example. Example is primes is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 7 comma 9. Okay. Now for example here what I'm doing is I'm writing here prime dot insert. Where I'm inserting, I need to specify the index 2 comma 5. And now I'm printing print primes. Now can you give the output? Like what can the output here? At the second index, what is the second index? What is the in this? What is the second index? 0, 1, 2,
7.
7. Now at this place, 5 will be
Inserted.
5 will be inserted. Now it means what? What is the meaning here is now what can the output? At the second, we can able to insert what?
5.
5. So what will be the output now? 2, 3, 5. Understood?
Okay.
So I guess you understood this. Good. Now we are not going to discuss more examples. We don't have much time. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I guess you understood the clear idea about this. I guess, right?
Yes.
Indexing part at whatever the index.
So, but sir, one doubt, sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, one doubt. Sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Sir, in this we have only 2 elements, sir. Then we take it as 2. In second position, we are inserting 5, sir. If we have 3 elements in this here, sir, then how we can insert, sir?
So like for example, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is there, na? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is
No.
there. And if I wanted to insert it fourth index, we are having only 3 indexes.
No, sir, that is not what I'm asking, sir. Here in second line we have 2, 4 and 5, right, sir? Again one more element here 6, sir. Then how it will be inserted?
It will take one only, na?
Comma 5.
4 comma 5.
4
comma
comma
6,
5 comma 6, sir. Here,
like this.
in the fourth position, 5 will be inserted, sir. But 6 where will be inserted? We want to insert it.
This kind of things, it will give errors. Why? Insert expected only 2 arguments. We cannot give 3 arguments.
Okay.
So this is not your question should be like this. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 ఏ ఉన్నాయి కదా, నేను 4 ఇస్తా, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? In this case, what is happening? If 5 అనేది last వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
Last way.
Yeah. So this is one of the note point, guys. What is the note point here? This is the note. What is the note? If there is no such index is existing, then the item or the number is
Not.
added in the last. Done? Yes. Example. So we are done with this. Next, what is the next one? Make it fast, guys. Let's complete this.
Index.
Huh?
Index.
Index.
Sir.
Yeah, correct. Now let's see what is the index. This is index is which method? 7. Which method it is? What are the methods are done? What are methods? What are the methods done?
Append, extend, and insert, sir.
Okay, this is fourth one, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Index. Yeah. So now what is the meaning of this? Let's see. Few points about this. This method searches an element in the list and returns. This method searches an element in the list and returns its index. Yeah. If the element occurs more than once, it returns the smallest or first portion. Yes. So if it is two times are there, or one two times, then which one will be returned first? ఏదైతే ఫస్ట్ ఒక్కర్ అవుతుందో అది రిటర్న్ అవుతుంది.
Okay.
If the element occurs more than once, it returns what? Smallest or first portion, starting the first position. Yes. If the element is not found, ఒకవేళ element దొరకలేదు, if the element is not found, then it will raise what? Error. It raises what? A value error, exception. These are the points, guys. Yeah, these are the points, and in this you need to work on this, but I will give you only few examples. Now, for example, here I have num is equal to, here it is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay.
Okay.
Now in this, what I'm writing here is position is equal to num
Yes.
num dot index of what? 5.
Yes, sir.
Now when it is index of 5, now what I'm going to print pose. Now what can be the output, expected output, guys? 4 only, right? Index, it is giving the index. 5 okay, index ఏంటిది 4 కదా.
Force.
So it is giving me, right?
Index value.
Index value it is giving me.
Yes,
Now
sir.
for example ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక 5 రాస్తా నేను, ఇంకొక 5 రాస్తా, అప్పుడు ఏం రావాలి?
Yeah, I think it's
స్టార్ట్ లో ఎక్కడ ఉంది 5 ఉందో ఆ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది.
yes, sir. Again, it will be 4.
Again it will be 4. Yeah. For example, if I'm writing here 3 నేను 2 times రాస్తున్నా comma, and here in the finding of index, here it is 3.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? Can you tell me? 0 1 2 2 ఆ 3 ఆ?
So index output will be 2, sir.
0 1 2 వస్తుందా 3 వస్తుందా అవుట్పుట్?
2, sir.
2, because it is the smallest number.
It's the smallest one.
Position. Yeah. So now I guess you understood this.
Yes, sir.
ఒకవేళ ఆ నంబర్ లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? If for example, if I'm finding 100 300,
Error,
is it
sir.
something there?
It will be error, sir. Output will be error.
Which error? Value error.
Value error. Yes, sir. Value error. 300 is not in the list.
Perfect. Okay. So these, on this we can work on this.
Yes.
So we are done with this. Now what is the next one?
Count, sir.
We have fifth one, right? It is
Yes, sir. Fifth one, count.
count. So what is the meaning of this count? Can anyone? The count method returns the number of occurrences. అంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు
How many times it was repeating?
occurrences of an element, occurrences of the
Of
element
an
in a
element.
in a list. Yeah, this is key point. Next one. What is the next one? In simple terms, the count of how many times an element has been occurred. You understood this line, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Now here, if I am writing here, in the place of index of what I have to write here?
Count.
Count. Aim count 5 ఒక count. ఇప్పుడు 5 ఒక count ఎంత వస్తుంది?
3, sir.
It is
3.
5 count I got 3. Now for example, I got 3. Correct. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఒక నంబరే లేదు. For example, 1 count. 1 ఎంత?
1, sir.
If I'm writing 100, 100 ఒక count ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ?
It will be errors. Some error.
No, it will be 0. It will be 0. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు కదా 100.
లేదు, sir.
So it will give just simply 0.
Okay, sir.
0. 0 answer. Why? As 100 is not
There in the list.
available. Not available
In the list.
in the list. So if it is not available, by default it will take what?
0s.
Yeah, it will take 0. Yes. So we are done with this also.
Yes, sir.
What is the next one?
Sir, better we can stop, sir. All members are left, sir.
What?
We are 2 members are listening this class.
Oh my God, only 2 are there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I don't know about this.
They left, sir.
Left, okay. No, I thought of like only 5 is there. Now we can.
No, sir. They left, sir. They all left.
Okay. So remaining 5, I wanted you to try. If you are not getting, I will explain, or in the next class, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this I'm saving this.
On this
So
on this recorded video, share. I want, sir, this video.
this video you need, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will
In
also
this
upload
class.
this in the
Okay, sir.
channel also. So fine, I'm stopping the recording.